Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill. I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. So welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you saw some of my previous video about the Ipsy unboxing for August, I had a couple items in there that I wanted to feature, along with some other items that I got in a September box. So I'm going to kind of put them all together to do a little fall look today. So if you enjoy videos like this, come on and follow along. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here a while, thank you so much. And if you're brand new, thank you so much for subscribing. If you enjoy these videos, I'd love it if you click like and subscribe so you can see more content coming. Okay, let's get started on this fall look. Okay, the first product, this came in my Ipsy box for August, and this is the Pore Professional from Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm going to put this on as a base before putting the other makeup on. And as you can see, it has kind of like a little bit of a skin tone color to it, like a little cream. It feels really soft and nice on my skin, so I'm just going to rub this in all over to give a good base before putting on my foundation. And it's always good to have some kind of primer to soothe out the skin and help to have your foundation and other makeup adhere throughout the day, and just gives it a better chance of staying on longer. So I will be giving this a try out and seeing how it does throughout the day. It has a really nice feel to it, but no smell or anything like that, so it's nothing that's going to irritate your senses or anything when you put it on. Okay, so next I'm going to be putting on the CC cream from IT Cosmetics, and you probably saw that I featured this the other day to see how it would cover my rosacea and other red areas since I have such sensitive skin. And you really don't need a lot of this product because it's good full coverage on it. So I'm just going to run this in with my fingers all over and make a nice base. And as you can see, it covers pretty quickly, but it doesn't have a real heavy feel. It's a light feel as you work it into the skin. So I'm just going to take a few minutes here and work it all over and get it blended real well. But as you may have watched my other video, this is one that I definitely like. I do have some dry skin as well, so it does tend to sit a little bit on the skin in those areas, but overall I really like it. Okay, so the next item I'm going to feature is this beautiful brush and also some Mary Kay powder. Now the brush also came in the Ipsy box, and it's a powder brush, so I wanted to feature today, and it's from the Beauty Crop. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the Mary Kay light powder. This is a light ivory, and just make sure you always just brush off a little bit of the extra powder before putting it on your face so it doesn't just clump on there. And this brush feels absolutely wonderful. It is nice and light and soft, and it's very easy to put the powder on throughout your face. Plus, it's a cute little brush to look at. So that was a nice little bonus getting in the Ipsy box, that's for sure. Next, I'm going to feature this blush by Pixie, and it's called Beach Rose. And I thought it'd be good for the fall colors. So again, just tap off any extra blush that you may have and just put it along your cheekbones. And you want to make sure that you just get it rubbed in really well with the brush or maybe your fingers. Just remember, if you ever get too much blush on because it's very pigmented, you can always take a little powder and go back over top. Next, I'm going to use the Radiant Glow highlighter from Ippy. I've never tried this brand before, but this is actually a beautiful highlighter, and I'm just going to use a little bit today to accent the cheeks. You can probably see the little shine in there. And this is really, really soft and feels really great on the skin. Remember, you can also do this on your chin, nose, under your eyebrows, just anywhere you want to enhance a little bit. Okay, so for this next part, I'm going to do a quick eye makeup look, and I am using the Mauve Me colors from Pink Lipper. And this is an absolutely beautiful palette that just came in my September Ipsy bag, so I really wanted to share it with you guys. I'm doing this super quick so that I don't have to go through a long endeavor of blending here, but I'm just putting a light color down with dark colors on the side, and then I'm putting some of like the enhancement sparkle in the middle. And then what I'm going to do is blend this really well. You guys, I cannot stress enough how important it is to blend your eyeshadows. So next, I'm going to show you one of my favorite mascaras from the Mary Kay line, and this is Lash Love Panorama. And I really like this mascara along with the Ultimate from Mary Kay. It really lifts and separates, and you can add several coats to make it darker. For me, being a redhead, I always need some kind of mascara on because my eyelashes are so light you can hardly see them. So I thought this was good to put these on. Each day I do try different brands of mascara that I like. There's several that I enjoy, but I like to go back and feature the Mary Kay ones when I can. As you know, I used to be a consultant, and I may go back to it again one day. But for right now, I'm enjoying trying all the different makeup brands, bringing you guys different products and so forth that I think are good. So that's one of the reasons that I've expanded my channel to include different items and to try different things, because we all have different skin types and different things that we like, and we may want to just branch out on colors or other items that might work better for our skin. So that is overall why I've just branched out a little bit with this. So let me know if you've tried this mascara down below. What are your thoughts about it? And then I'm just going to show you a little bit how it just opens up the lashes. Okay, and to finish up this look, I'm going to also use another Mary Kay product. And this is the Downtown Brown color. Now they had this years ago, and then they stopped making it for a while, and then they brought it back again. So I was super happy when they brought it back, because you know sometimes makeup companies, they'll have your absolute favorite color that you wear for years, and then next thing you know they discontinue it, and it's heartbreaking because it's like, no, I need that one. But this one was perfect for fall. I would actually wear it all year round. Okay, so here is the final look. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for sharing some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed the look. And as always, I hope you have an absolutely amazing day.